2026 Indian Roadmaster vs. 2026 BMW K 1600B Luxury Touring Showdown. When it comes to luxury touring motorcycles, two names always rise to the top: Indian Motorcycles and BMW Motorrad. For 2026, the matchup between the Indian Roadmaster and the BMW K 1600B is one of the most exciting comparisons in the touring segment. Both are built for comfort, long-distance power and technology-packed rides, but they deliver those experiences in very different ways. Engine and performance. The 2026 Indian Roadmaster stays true to classic American touring style with its Thunderstroke 116 V-twin engine, delivering around 126 feet lbs of torque. It's all about smooth, low-end grunt that gives you effortless cruising power. The sound, the feel, and the character of the Roadmaster scream old-school touring soul, but with modern refinements. On the other side, the BMW K 1600B brings German precision with its 649cc inline-six engine, producing about 160 horsepower and 133 pound-feet of torque. This bike is engineered for riders who want silky smooth acceleration, high-speed touring, and sport-like performance in a bagger package. Where the Roadmaster is about relaxed cruising, the K 1600B is about power with finesse. Comfort and touring features. Indian designed the Roadmaster with long-haul comfort as the top priority. Heated seats, floorboards, adjustable passenger backrest, and a plush saddle make it a true cross-country machine. The massive fairing and electronically adjustable windshield provide excellent wind protection, and with over 37 gallons of storage space, you'll never worry about packing light. BMW takes a more streamlined approach. The K 1600B offers heated seats and grips, an electrically adjustable windscreen, and luxury-grade ergonomics, but in a sleeker, lower stance. The bagger styling means less total storage compared to the Roadmaster, but the focus here is on dynamic riding without sacrificing comfort. Technology and ride experience. The Indian Roadmaster comes with the Ride Command System, featuring a large touchscreen, Apple CarPlay integration, navigation, and multiple ride modes. You also get advanced rider aids like rear cylinder deactivation for cooler city riding, adaptive headlights, and full LED lighting. The BMW K 1600B counters with its massive 10.25-inch TFT display, complete with integrated navigation, smartphone connectivity, and BMW's advanced rider assistance suite. Dynamic ESA, electronic suspension adjustment, traction control, cornering ABS, and adaptive headlights give it a high-tech edge. The K 1600B is the choice for riders who want cutting-edge electronics with precise handling. Styling and personality. The Indian Roadmaster is classic Americana, a bold front fairing, chrome accents, and a timeless design that pays tribute to heritage. It's for the rider who wants tradition with modern comfort. The BMW K 1600B, on the other hand, is sleek and futuristic, with a low-slung bagger profile, sharp lines, and a distinctly European aesthetic. It looks more aggressive and appeals to riders who want something modern and performance-driven. Price and value. The 2026 Indian Roadmaster starts around $32,000 to $34,000, depending on trim and options. It's a full luxury tourer with heritage charm. The 2026 BMW K 1600B comes in slightly higher, typically in the $35,000 to $37,000 range, reflecting its high-performance engine and advanced tech features. Final verdict. So which one is the better touring motorcycle? Choose the Indian Roadmaster if you want a traditional American touring experience. Big torque, relaxed ergonomics, tons of storage, and timeless style. It's built for riders who want comfort and nostalgia blended with modern touring luxury. Choose the BMW K 1600B if you want a performance-oriented luxury bagger. Smooth inline-six power, cutting-edge technology, and sporty handling for long rides at speed. At the end of the day, it all comes down to whether you prefer the soul of American 5-twin touring or the precision of German-engineered performance. Both bikes are kings of the road, just ruling in very different ways.